Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Technique Force. Today's tutorial is on how to use Facebook for recruitment. Are you a recruiter? Do you employ job recruiters? Then you are sure to be aware of the exorbitant fees they charge. It is ridiculously high. Usually, it costs you around 20% or sometimes even 50% of your prospective employee's first salary. What if I tell you that you don't have to spend this much? The answer to that is right before you. Yes, Facebook. You must be wondering why to use Facebook for recruitment? Well, Facebook is a platform where everyone spends a good deal of time. More than 1 billion people log on to Facebook every day. Imagine that kind of exposure. Facebook is any day better than your agency. Your dream candidate may not be actively searching job boards for work, but there's a good chance they have got a Facebook account. You can find people from all age groups here. In fact, Facebook has the most evenly distributed gender and age as compared to any other social network. Facebook users don't only outnumber other social media users, they are also much more active. To begin recruiting on Facebook, all you need to have is a company career page or a group and, of course, a proper job description. That's all. Let us see how to use Facebook page for recruitment step by step. Log on to your Facebook account. In your home page, click on the drop down arrow, then click on your Facebook page. Click on Jobs at the left hand corner. Click on Create Job or Publishing Tools. Once you click on Create Job, specify job title, the job location, write the minimum and maximum salary range, specify whether it is for an hour, a day, a week, month or year. Also specify whether it is a full-time or a part-time job. Give a proper job description. You can even post a questionnaire where applicants can answer in short sentences. This will help you to find targeted candidates. Upload a photo relevant to your company page or relevant to the job description. You can even use the same cover picture as used for the page. For uploading a photo, click on Upload Photo. Here you see the least size for images to be uploaded are given. It should be at least 400 pixels wide and 208 pixels tall. In this case, I have used the same cover picture as for the page. You can also click on Job Preview to see how your job post looks. Once done, click on Post Job. You can also post the same job on different groups. You can even boost your post by clicking on Boost Post. Here you can see the benefits of boosting a post. It helps you to find the right person faster. It helps you to get seen by more people, target potential applicants in specific location. You have to pay a certain amount for Boost Post. And if you don't want to boost post, then you can simply click on No Thanks. This is how your post looks on your page. There is a Apply Now button for the candidates to apply for the job. Once you post a job in a page, users with matching skill sets starts connecting with you either by commenting on the post or by sending messages. Jobs can also be posted using Publishing Tools option. Click on Publishing Tools, then click on Create, click on Job, then follow the same steps as shown before. Now let us see how to use Facebook groups for recruitment. In this case, the jobs are posted either by admins or the members of the group. Click on Write Post. Once again, make sure you have a proper job description. You can either provide your email ID or provide your organization's website career page link. Once you are done, click on post. This is how it looks. You can also make a short video and upload on Facebook. Throw light on what your organization is all about, job description, and perks of joining your organization. Keep this as short as possible, but at the same time it should be eye-catching. Finally, post the video on your company page or group. For that, click on photo or video, then upload photo or videos, then click on post. Connect through your employees' friend list. You can encourage your employees to share job openings on their Facebook IDs. There is a high probability that you will find prospects having the required skill sets in your employee circles itself. This will help you in hiring candidates. There are several ways in which you can capitalize on Facebook for hiring. More than anything else, you can really save money. Try these tips and let us know what you think. Thank you.